Hey guys, good morning. For today's video, I'll show you guys how to fix this Prius 2005 problem. So this check engine light came on, so it means it's the high voltage battery is bad, so something wrong with it. So we need to diagnose it. Since this one, I have this thing right here, loud driver. So we're gonna put that in and scan it. So the code is this black 5. This is the battery cell. So I show you guys how to fix that. Alright, I show you guys how to fix this. You need to remove this right here. Remove this. Just twist this. Twist this. There you go. There's 3. There we go. Then we need to remove the bolt right there. That's 10mm. Side. Then we need to remove this, the big one, and this one too. Yeah, just press that lock right there. Now what we're gonna do is remove this safety lock right there. I'm gonna press it up like that and then lay it down like that. See, that's our connector. This is the safety connector. I don't know what you call the thing. So put that on the side. Remove this cover on top. So now here's the high voltage battery of Prius. So what you're gonna do next is remove this air cooler right there. We need to remove that and that. So we need to remove this thing right here. And we also need to remove the seats, the back seats. So this is 40mm, that in that side, so we have access to the bolts to remove this cover. So you have access here, same that side. So what's next? We need to remove this thing. There's a bolt underneath right there. I already took it out, so just pry it like that. Put that on the side and remove this thing. So took the bolt out. So just pop it out like that. See, so same thing on this side. Pop it out. So there's a wire right here, so you need to pipe it out too. So there we go. I think they already opened this up before, so we need to remove this air cooler line, and let's say what's up. So that's a 10mm. So put all the screws here. This 10mm right there. Pry it out. So that's the fan that blows from the vent right there, go through here and pass through this black thing, I don't know what you call it, and blow the battery right there to cool down the temperature. Now we need to remove the bolt right there, bolt on the back. This one right here, that. So there's a 12 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 12, so we can get this cover out. All right, so let's do that. So now here's the battery. So this is the block 1, block 2, block 3, block 4, block 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So it has 14 blocks. Alright, so this is the module 1, block 1, module 1, block 1, module 2. So that's the number. So we are getting block 5. So we're gonna count from here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the one right here. That's the cord we are getting from the scanner. So what we're gonna do to make sure, we're gonna test all of this voltage, each one of them. Alright, so I'll show you guys how to do that. Okay, I got the multimeter here, so we're gonna use that to test the volts on each one of this module individual. We're gonna test individually so we know which one is weak and we'll replace it. Alright, so let's go. So we're gonna pry this out, put that on the side. So guys, make sure before you work on this, make sure you remove this thing, the safety, so you don't get shocked. So see how corroded it is. So I'm gonna clean that after this. So that's 10 millimeter right there. I think that's 8 millimeter. So we're gonna remove that and test it. Alright, so I already removed this thing right here. So we're gonna test it with multimeter. So I'm gonna put it on 200 first. Just make sure when we're gonna go down on 20. So make sure it's the CV, direct current volt. Alright, so make sure it's on DCV. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the block 5. Is this right here? Right here, right? Get a marker and mark it. Oh, I can see there's it looks like burnt. Yeah, but we're gonna test it. Alright guys, so I mark all of these blocks and module so I won't get confused, and upon my testing, I test this cells and I mark it as bad, so the rest is still doing good except these 3 cells. So when I check it, put the terminal, positive terminal on positive and negative terminal on negative, which is right there. So I'll get 8.1 readings. So upon checking, only these 3 that I marked X is only getting 8.1. The rest are 8.9, 8.10, so which is good. So since I'm getting block 5 code, which is this is a block 5, so block 1, block 2, block 3, block 4, block 5. So block 5 module 1 and block 5 module 2. So this is the bad one, block 5 module 1. So we're gonna replace that. I bought one from eBay for $30, so I'm gonna replace that and we'll see if the code will go away. And I might need to replace this soon, this too. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna remove this too and put that on here, so it's not gonna be hard to remove later on when I'm replacing it. So alright, so let's do that. Let's remove these bolts right there, one right here, one right here, and remove this replace this cell. Alright, let's go. Alright, I removed this 12mm bolts from here, and one over here, one over there, and alright, so put that on the side, and there we go. That's how it looks like. Alright, so I'm just gonna remove all this, and guys, make sure you don't mess this up, because you know this is the heater sensor. So let's remove this until we get access on this one. Alright, so we're gonna replace this one, that one. We're gonna replace that, and we'll see what's gonna happen. Alright, let's go. So I ordered this one for $30, and we'll replace the block 5 since I'm getting code from block 5 module 1. So try to replace that one first, and I need to buy the 2 more, but okay, here's the new one. So let's replace that with this one. Alright, let's go. Yep, this is the bad one. So I noticed it has like crack and it looks like leaking. It's leaking. So yep, this is the bad one. So I'm gonna put that in there. So I'm gonna put this in. Alright, so make sure when you put this in, it's alternate negative positive negative positive negative positive. Make sure you don't put the wrong way. All right, so this is our new one. So it's gonna move the safety tape right here. All right, so I'm just gonna install it and put the cover back on, put everything back together, and we'll see if we'll fix the problem. All right, so I moved all the bad ones to this side, so when they go bad, it will be easier for me to replace this side. All right, so this is the bad ones, this one, but I need to buy 2 more to replace them, these 2. So this one of this is only 30 bucks. So instead of replacing the whole thing, the whole battery pack, that's $1,200. That's a lot. So this is the way you save a lot of money to do this. So yep, and let's go put everything back together and test it. All right, let's go. So guys, I put everything back together, this one, and now it's time to put the cover back on and put everything back together, and we're good to go. All right, already put everything back together, so I'm gonna plug this in. Go this one, yep. I'll put that back into that thing. Now let's check. Yep, it's working. Now see that triangle, we're gonna delete that code and just drive it. All right, I wanna plug this in and clear out the code. All right, already cleared the code, everything is clear, so we're good to go. So that's how you guys fix the battery. And let's go for the test drive and show you guys after driving around 50 miles, and that's fixed the problem. All right, we're back. So everything is good, no check engine light, no nothing. All right, so that's how you guys fix hybrid battery on Prius. It applies to any Prius. That's how you fix it cheaper. It saves you a lot of money than buying the whole pack. Is I think there's around 1,200 if you buy the whole thing, replace the whole thing. But this thing only cost me 30 bucks. All right, until next time, thank you for watching. Bye bye.